Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to the vlog. It is Friday morning and I'm going to get my hair done. That doesn't rhyme. Forgot to put up last week's vlog, so I'm gonna have to do that today. Went out last Friday and had a kind of strange night. It was a weird night and yeah, bit of an odd one, let's say that. Anyway, today is going to be a lovely day because I just feel really, really happy this morning and I'm determined to remain that way. On a roll with the whole filming thing for my beauty channel. I'm just like really into it at the moment and can't stop, won't stop. I hate when people cut corners when they're coming into like housing estates. Like, it's just not necessary. Don't cut the corner. Tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day and I was watching videos. I don't know if it's just because it's St. Patrick's Day coming up or what the scale is, but I was watching loads of videos of people trying to pronounce Irish names and I actually thought it was one of the funniest thing ever because my name is a name people get wrong all the time. Obviously not Irish people, but people outside of Ireland. Like, I went over to the UK a couple of years ago. I got through to an audition stage for Big Brother. And I remember going over to Manchester for the auditions, and when I was over there, the people in the audition kept calling me Aisling and kept repeating Aisling. No matter how many times I correct them, I was like, it's Aisling, Aisling. But because my name is spelled A-I-S-L-I-N-G, the Irish word, the Irish spelling, when they looked at it, it just looked like Aisling. Like, you can see it, and it was just, I've never heard my name pronounced like that. I've heard my name pronounced like Ashley, Ashlyn, like loads of different ways of saying it other than how it's actually supposed to be said, but sure, look. But I just thought it was a really funny video listening to, it was an Australian girl and she was trying to pronounce like Sarah Shah and Quiva and all those names. I just thought it was really funny. Actually, somebody just said to me the other day on one of my videos that, because I was doing testing my subscribers' favorite makeup, and I put up one of the girls' names, Quiva, and she was saying, oh, you don't pronounce it Quiva, it's pronounced Kiva. I have never heard Quiva pronounced Kiva, but apparently up the north, that's how they pronounce Quiva. Now, I lived in Dundalk for years, which is on the border, and I never heard anybody in Dundalk ever pronounce Kiva or Quiva, like Kiva. I don't know, just a fun fact. But anyway, I was enjoying that video this morning immensely, listening to that poor Australian girl struggling with names like Tig and Quiva and Siobhan and Sarah Shah, and I just thought it was just really funny. It's 10 AM, my hair appointment is now, so I'm just here, but I'm gonna run in and get a coffee. I know, I'm so bold, my hairdresser will kill me. I'm always late everywhere I go. It's like just the fact of life. That is me. Ooh. My car is to go for its NCT. I actually need to put it in next week. I think I'm just gonna put it in as it is. It was at the mechanics maybe a month ago and he did all the little bits and bobs, and I don't know, like, I just feel like there's just so much more to do with the car. I know I need a new wheel, like a whole new like wheel, not a tire, and I just am putting that off, and my dad is going to actually murder me. He's like, have you gotten a wheel for your car? Have you gotten a wheel? I was like, Dad, I don't know anything about wheels for cars. So I'm gonna have to ask Amy's husband Daniel about getting a wheel for this car because it's an 18-inch alloy, and I don't know, do you buy 4 in a set? Can you just buy 1? Where can you get them from? Like, I don't know anything about that, so I might ask him because he obviously builds cars and stuff. He's probably my best bet to ask about that because I'm not sure at all. And also, I noticed that my electric window on this side is broken, and I think it was from the ice and all the freezing and the snow. Something obviously went down, maybe the window wasn't up properly, I'm not really sure, but the whole mechanism of it is possibly banjaxed, so I think I need to get a new motor for it or something. So I don't know what way it's going to go in the NCT. I'm just going to pop it in, and whatever comes out, then at least I can fix those jobs, at least I know. So I'm going to go get my coffee now. So I'm finally back to vlogging, and I'm just making myself some coffee, and I just toasted some brown bread. I was planning on filming today, but my auntie actually called in to me, and we were looking at makeup and stuff, and she was asking for advice on makeup products she wants to buy, and we were sitting in my bed for about an hour and a half, so I didn't actually end up filming. I just had a really nice afternoon with her, talking and catching up, so that's what I ended up doing. So now I'm gonna eat because I'm starving. My hair is so nice and blonde as well. I toned it the other day, and I just feel like a lot of it went silver. I don't like it too silver. I like it bright blonde, if that makes any sense. If it goes too silver or too grey, I just feel like it looks like I'm just not into that life. So I just got my toast, and I'm gonna butter it, obviously using my real butter. Should have taken the butter out or put it in a dish. Does anyone else make their coffee like this? They put the milk in first. I hear a lot of crying coming from my room. Oh, Chewy, you were locked in. Oh no, Chewy, you were locked in. I'm here. I'm so sorry. I went down to make coffee. Oh, I'm so sorry, little buddy. I locked you in my room. Oh, poor Chewy. Oh no. How dare I? Aww. Watching The Lion King, and I'm gonna put on the Atlantis, The Lost Empire. I haven't watched this in so long, and I ordered Lilo and Stitch and The Lion King 2 today from eBay because I can't find my other Lilo and Stitch rather, and I never had the what's it called, Lion King 2 on DVD, so there you go. These earrings, I picked them up the other day when I was in Penny's. I actually don't know if I showed you them, but look how cute they are. They're so cute. Right there beside Marie. Let's put that down there. Don't need that there. They are adorable. I really like these earrings. I did a little poll on, what was it, on Twitter, and I asked you guys what sort of video you'd like to see. So you guys said a full face at first impressions. So I have a ton of products in here that are new that I said I would test out. So I have stuff from, there's this Laura Geller, some, what have I got here? Too Faced stuff that was sent out to me. The new Too Faced bronzers, and I just picked up a new foundation and stuff. I have other stuff in another box, but these are just the things I really want to give a go. And the BH Cosmetics concealer, and also I got sent this palette and I've never used it and I've heard very little about it. I think LMD is a makeup artist from Northern Ireland. I think she could be from Belfast. But this is what the palette looks like, and I've never used it, so I just thought it'd be kind of interesting to use in a video. And I have a couple of bits and bobs, like the graphic liner you would have seen from Sigma and stuff, so I think, oh, you're back, Chewy. And then this highlighting palette as well that I want to test out. Oh, you're such a cute little boy. Oh, you were having a drink, were you? That's why your chin is wet. Having a little drink. So yeah, that video will be coming up very, very, very soon. As soon as I get to film it. I was going to film it today, like I said, but just my auntie called over and I was just having a bit more fun, and now I'm chilling like a villain with my little fur baby. Well, it's working. Well, my laptop's over there, but I'm going to edit now in a bit. Yes, little fur baby. I just went and the postman arrived, and I opened up the package and there's this little wooden box in it. So I'm kind of interested to see what's in. Oh, it's from Penny's. Thank you so much, Caroline. Oh, yay. I love this product. I did a whole video on the Pores Be Pure. Chewy. Have a look. I'm trying to look at the stuff. Oh my god, chewy. So I got the Pores Be Pure. I absolutely love this cleansing gel. I have this in the shower. It's amazing. What else did we get in here? This box smells amazing, by the way, guys. We have the Hydrating Avocado Sheet Mask. I don't know if I've ever used this one. I actually might put that on right now. Oh, I love these. These are amazing. This is the Purifying Peel Off Masks. I absolutely adore this mask. One of my favorite ones. I highly recommend. It smells like cucumber. Amazing. We got the cucumber eye pads. I use these a lot. They actually sit over your entire eye and they're shaped like cucumbers. So adorable. What's this? Sleeping Beauty, an aloe vera infused pillowcase. Oh my god, that's so nice. Oh my god, it smells divine. I think I'm gonna put this on my bed tonight because I love the smell of aloe vera. It's just so refreshing. And then the last product we have in here is a spot on treatment. I've used this so much. I actually wanted to get a new one of these because I used up my last one. This is one of my favorites. So thank you so much, Pennies, and to the Publicity Lot for sending these products out. I'm super excited to try everything. And I'm going to use this right now. I love the way everything's green, and it's actually all for St. Patrick's Day, because that's what Caroline said. She says, sending you some bank holiday TLC your way from PS Beauty. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Aww, so cute. I love that I get puppy love. You're the best, little doggy. This is attractive. I'm gonna leave this sheet mask on for 20 minutes. Feels so cooling. It smells amazing. I have to start talking because it's going to keep flipping off. Just finished editing today's video, which is actually going to be a Pennies haul. Well, it's a weird picture. If you want to see my new Pennies haul, it will be on my channel right now, because by the time I edit this vlog, it will be live. I'm just going to export it now and then I'm done and dusted. Good morning, everyone. La Féile Pádraig is upon us. It is St. Patrick's Day here in Ireland and I am super excited because the match is on at 2:15. The rugby. Ireland are playing England and I'm so excited. We're already champions, but if we win this, we are not only champions, but we won the Grand Slam and the Triple Crown. I am just pumped for today. So I'm trying to edit my vlog and get it stuck up as quick as possible. I'm gonna get up now, go get a coffee and do a couple of bits and bobs before the match at 2:15. I have a little bit of time because it's still very, very early. I'm just so excited. It is Baltic here in Ireland today. Like, I mean Baltic. And apparently the pitch over in Twickenham is supposed to be like in -7 conditions. I don't know if that's true. Like, apparently the winds are so cold. So say a prayer for our little Irish boys that they just do really, 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 really well today. I'm just so excited. I can't wait to be like coming on later on and be like, we won, we won. Because I just feel it in my bones today. I was in London last St. Patrick's Day and it was just really nice because there was none of the malarkey that goes on, because I just can't stand excessive drinking and just people being really, really foolish. So I sound like such an old granny, but I just don't like excessive drinking. I hate it. I hate it so much. Usually I go off for like a nature walk on St. Patrick's Day, but because the match is on, that's just going to consume my whole entire day. My dad's downstairs like on eggshells because he's like, oh my god, the match, the match. I'm just so excited for it. Having some breakfast. Some beans on toast. All my protein. I'm just vlogging my favorite breakfast. There's a cup of tea. Can't beat the old lions. Beside me? Chewy, you coming up beside me? No? Oh, the nerves. I'm so nervous for them. Hey, we're off.
3 tries in the first half.
Come on, Joey.
This could be 21 points to 5.
Just 2 really good players.
Yes, Joey.
Yay!
There we are.
Yahoo!
Triple Crown, Championship, Grand Slam.
Way, Ireland!
Patrick's Day at Twickenham. Never had it before. Who knows when we'll see this?
Oh my god. Oh my, I look crazy. Sorry, I was just watching the rugby match. I'm sorry about all the rugby. I'm just so happy. Cléa ítach rugby a bhí an agus tá I just anna brodúil las ma tír. Anna brodúil. Tá is agam go bhfuil tú ag airí caint cúpla focail scoilga agus tásúlagam go bhfuil tú sásta. So that's it. That's the only Irish you're getting out of me now, because I could just be ag leabhar scoilga all day and nobody'd know what I'm talking about. So proud to be Irish today. Well, I'm proud to be Irish every day, but particularly today. I'm having McDonald's and I'm watching Up. I love this movie. It's one of my favourites. It's on RT. I actually only watched it last week on DVD and now it's on TV. Hi guys, so it is super late. It's actually 3 in the morning. And I just had a really nice day. And I just said I would end the vlog right now. Wow, these bags under my eyes. I swear to God, if anybody has any treatments for like how to get rid of under eye circles other than sleep, I suppose that's probably a good idea, because obviously I'm going to bed pretty late. But yeah, I need a serious treatment for under eye bags. I just said I would end today's vlog. Well, I'm going to run today and yesterday's vlog in together. Oh, I'm so cozy in bed right now. I'm going to turn in now because I'm so tired. So tired. So I hope you guys enjoyed this St. Patrick's Day vlog, looking at us winning the match. I've actually lost my voice today from screaming and shouting at the television. Just at Ireland every single time they did well. I'm just so proud of them and I'm just so happy. Yeah, so I'm turning in for the night. I will talk to all of you guys in my next vlog. Hopefully that will be Monday. I need to put my Invisalign in now. So I'll talk to you then. Mwah. Night night. Love you.